U.S. Coinbase advanced customers can now trade crypto futures contracts offered by Coinbase Financial Markets. Here's how to get started. First, sign in at advanced.coinbase.com. Note, you will need to have an existing Coinbase Inc. account for spot trading before opening your Coinbase Financial Markets futures account. Click the New Futures section in the left-hand menu. Go to the Application button in the lower right corner and complete a few short questions required by financial regulators concerning your financial and investment background. Once your application with Coinbase Financial Markets is approved, you're ready to begin futures trading. Next, choose a contract. On the order screen, you'll see different order types, the price sets in USD, and the number of contracts you can trade. Once you're ready, you can buy and sell futures contracts at your desired price. You'll also be able to monitor your balance, which is important to check before using leverage for trading. Note that all futures contracts are settled in USD. After you trade a contract, you can see your position in the Positions tab. Congrats on opening a new position on a futures contract.